let's discuss about Python list built-in methods. As there were some methods, some predefined functions that exist on string that we have studied in our previous tutorials. In the similar way, we have some built-in predefined methods that exist over the list. Let's create a list first of all. Let's have a list as, for example, I have stored the content as 45, 34, 67.8, 90, etc. You can store the content as per your wish. Here are the list of the predefined functions. One function, some of the function we have covered up in insert function we have done, append, extend we have covered up, pop was there, remove, right? So in a similar way, we have more function as sort, reverse, count, find, right? And if you want to find out the maximum and minimum values, we have max here, min here, and sum is also here. So let's have a look for the sort function. If you want to store your values in the ascending order, inside the ascending order, then we can use sort function. As Python lists are mutable in nature, so first of all, you need to apply the function l.sort, and after that, we can print. So let's run the file. Sweet. Yeah, here it is. So my list has now been arranged in the ascending order 12, 34, 45, 67.8, then 90. Now, if you want to print the content in the descending order, but you need to write inside the sort bracket, you need to write reverse equal to true. For true, you need to pass T as capital. Basically, what is the thing here? By default, in the sort function, reverse sets to be false. So that's why it gives you ascending order values. But if you want to find out the values in the descending order, then you need to set it as reverse equals to false. So reverse, right? Let's run the file. So now we can see it's 90, 67.8, 45, 34, and 12, right? We have one more function as reverse. I have commented out. Reverse function, what reverse do? It's going to reverse the entire string. Like currently it is 34, 45, 34, 67.8, and so on. But after applying reverse function, your output is going to be 12, 90, 67.8, 34, and 45. Right? Let's have a look. L dot reverse. Then print L. Right? In a similar way, we have a function as count. Count, as its name suggests. First of all, let me add one more value as 45 here. So basically, if we want to count the number of total occurrence of a particular element, then we can use count function. So what we need to do, print l.count, that is a variable name .count. What you want to count, you need to pass it as an argument here. Here it is 45. So it's going to give me 2. Why 2? Because 145 is present at 0th index and another one is the last index. Right? Now, let's move towards next function. If you want to find out the sum of the entire list, then you can give it as sum of n. Right? So here this total resulting 293.8. Fine. Now, if you want to print the minimum value from the list, then we have a function as min. Print min of L. Minimum value from L. So you need to pass a variable name as an argument here. Now you can see here we have 12 value as the minimum. In a similar way, we can find out the maximum value, max of L. Now we would be having the minimum value as well as the maximum value. Some built-in methods also exist over the list, but this one was the useful one where you can use them.